Hi Ramesh. Okay, I'm just waiting for like couple of seconds for everyone to join and then we will start. Hi Nisha, hi Anuradha, Aradhana, S Pushi 1803. Hi Aarti, hi Divya. Okay. Okay, so I think everyone is here. I can start for today. Uh, I got a few messages. Oh, hi, Arisha and Arab. Okay. Sorry, what that means? What is TOEIC? I don't know. Okay. So today, actually, I wanted to talk to everyone first, and then we will start with the painting and today's activity. So I actually got a couple of requests from Ria that she is getting video call requests and all. So don't send her or don't call her if you have any query, if you wanted to show anything, or if you have any question, or if you wanted to connect with me, just send us a message or a post or tag us with your post so that we know, because she is very young lady, she recently joined us and I don't want her to be scared कि रात के 2 बजे भी कोई इसको कॉल कर रहा है and it's not good. So I hope you guys understand that she is managing both our social media on our behalf. I'm not very active on social media by myself. I always get messages from Manveen and Ria that we got this message for you and all. So if you wanted to talk to me or if you have any message for me, just send us a message. It would be more than enough. She and Manveen always share every message, every compliment, every question, every doubt from you guys with me on daily basis. So don't worry about it. But I hope you guys understand that we are also working just for you, and we know that this is very like hard time for everyone, that we are in a lockdown, we are almost at home for like last for like 3-4 weeks, and अभी और भी बाकी है, आज ये और 2-3 हफ्ते हैं. So I know everyone is in lockdowns, but I really appreciate if you guys will be a little patient with us, with me, with Manmeen, with Ria, and with rest of the team. And from next week we are bringing more artists to do more activities. Again, I am this is like uh, 8 days I am requesting everyone to send me video call request at the end of the demo so that I can finish it on time. Okay, so today is all about Granitsy painting. And why Granitsy painting only? Because learning a painting take a lot of effort, a lot of time, and you need to know a lot of technique. So, mean the dreams. Please send me video requests at the end of the video, because I can't take any of the requests right now. Every day I am requesting you guys, and I hope you understand that we are working very hard. We working like almost 14 hours daily, and I request you to understand that it's what can we post in WhatsApp group? Can we post queries in our artwork? If you wanted to post any queries, you need to post it on our Facebook or Insta messages, because in WhatsApp group or in Telegram group we have in few days like a lot of people. So if we allow to like people to post anything, it will be very chaotic, and are the admin there, so they will be posting the updates. If you have any question, you can post it on directly on their WhatsApp and Telegram window, or you can definitely post it on Facebook and uh, Insta page. Divya, thank you so much for appreciation. I really appreciate your patience, but I really wanted to ask you and request everyone, please be patient, please understand us, that we are also in a lockdown. It's not like कि हम बाहर जा रहे हैं. We are also enjoying this. We are working really hard so that we can at least give back something to community. I know you almost supported us for like 4 5 years, and now it's our time to support you and to give you back something which can engage you for like next few more weeks. But I also want you to understand that we can only work if we have a peace of mind. If you can like understand how hard we are working and how we are planning everything, because we also don't have much supply. And important, I also wanted to clear one thing. I know a lot of people wanted to learn soap making, candle making, and for example, resin and other stuff. Definitely, I can do it. For example, I made these soap recently. I made these soap recently because I have a material with me. But how you will make it? Because our main motto is not the entertainment. It's not an entertainment platform. It's like a hobby or art platform. So we want to pursue your hobbies and art interest, and that's why we are doing only with the material which we think you can find very easily at home. It's not like मैं रेजिन करवा दूँ and then you will be like यार रेजिन का मटेरियल नहीं है and trust me, we will definitely be bringing resin, soap, candle, every classes online, because we are working on app. Manveen already announced it like last week. So I hope you understand. कर रहे हैं, but you have to be a little patient because it will take a little time, and everything is at the lockdown and Manveen is not at her home. तो उसके पास भी कुछ नहीं है. मेरे पास बिकॉज आई एम नॉट इन इंडिया, सो मेरे पास ही वो सप्लाई है जो आपको इंडिया में मिलेगा. एंड दूसरी चीज़, अगर मैं सप्लायर का कॉन्टेक्ट शेयर भी कर दूँ, इट डजेंट मेक सेंस क्योंकि सब कुछ बंद है. एंड दे आर ऑल्सो स्मॉल who may or may not survive. So just wait for some time. Indra Mohan, what can I do with my air dry clay? So we are actually planning for more activities. For example, first like on 17th we did natural pigment, and yesterday we did air dry clay. So now in the next few days we are going to use those supplies like pigment से कैसे painting करना है, and how you can use air dry clay, that will come from tomorrow. Like Monday से we will start that. So just be a little patient. Manveen will come and soon announce the upcoming schedule. Maybe by tonight she will announce everything, and with the with the schedule she will announce the material as well. Whatever we did and whatever we have at home, she will announce the activity according to that only. And after 3rd May we will see how government is allowing every activity, like if they are allowing के यार बाकी सब कुछ जा रहे हैं या नहीं, या open हो रहा है या नहीं, then only we will plan for next phase. When you be conducting these workshop in coming days, definitely till 3rd of May, definitely we are planning on that day per day activities. After 3rd May, we will definitely see the response from the audience, and then we will plan for the next month. Okay, so I will not take a lot of time. I'll just start with today's activity so that you can also start it. Yeah. Abhishek, just be a little patient because I actually got few messages from the backend team, and they were like working very hard, and I want their message to reach everyone. That's why I was talking about it. I'm just not doing any thing right now. I'm just talking about the team and the what we are doing. And once I start, I definitely put it in a slow, one by one, step by step process, because I know there are a lot of people who are doing painting first time, or there are a lot of kids who are joining with their parents. So don't worry about it. I take my time. I take a step by step process. I know how much time a beginner will take to finish one step, and definitely I know how much time you need to let it dry or how to do it. So don't worry about it. Let me explain. Thank you, Abhishek. So I'll just show you few sample work which I made, and then you can definitely do it. So whatever I'm going to show you, these are the example which you can make. So this is one picture. So this is one galaxy. This is another one. This kind of a Milky Way which you see from Hubble page. I'll show you that page as well, so that uh, you know where you can take the reference images and how I made this. This is another one with the different clouds. This is Milky Way but from a open field. So you can make a lot of shadows, you can make a lot of objects, you can make a lot of different variant. It's not like you have only galaxy bana liya and it's over. It's not like that. And this one, if you can see, have a shooting star. So you can make this with your kid and they can make a wish with it. How did I make this? I actually used acrylic paint and I did a lot of practice. I am painting since I am around 6 year old. So it it takes a lot of time to like practice, but you can do it if you do it with patient and just follow the instructions. Now what you need? So you need two brush. You need two brush, and make sure your brush is one should be a little hard and another one should be a little broader. जितना broad होगा उतना करने में easy रहे. Then you need acrylic or watercolor, and then you need a palette. Any palette will do. Dandan Gita, my dough yesterday which I made is soft but not smooth. You actually need to put a lot of a little more moisture so that you can make it smooth. Like normally जैसे हम आटा बनाते हैं तो क्या होता है वो थोड़ा सा अगर स्पॉन्जी नहीं होता है, we put a little water. So I don't know which it take a lot of time. It's not like कि 10 मिनट में हो जाएगा, because I don't know which variety of flour you are using. Just and I also don't know which recipe you followed. So what you need to do is you need to arrange a little of moisture and put it in a airtight container and wrap it with a cellophane like polythene wrap. It will be fine. Just do it one more time and send me pictures or send me questions if you still haven't got it. Okay, let me start with it, and give me like couple of seconds so that I can move my camera engine and show you how to do it. And meanwhile, if you are following us on Insta and Facebook, and if you are doing any of the art workshop with me, what you can do is you can send me pictures what you have made, and we will put it in on our social media page. And if you are seeing a little shadow in the camera, don't worry, I'll explain everything, because I know it's just a little shadow. It's not like it's not visible or something. So just be a little patient. I'll explain everything for you, and it will be a step by step process. And understand that Then in painting, it's a continuous process. Even if I am painting since 6 year old, I still need to practice a lot for different technique. Like for example, if I wanted to merge two color, if I wanted to blend two color, there are a lot of different technique which people use, and it takes time to practice. So don't worry if you don't get it in first time. And one more thing, which is very important. Where is my book? Which is very important because what happen is when you start painting. So if you are not happy with your painting, don't take it very seriously or take it to your heart. It takes time to reach up to the point where you are happy. Don't judge yourself, don't criticize yourself very much, because you need to keep on practicing, and it takes some time to get it correctly. And art is very subjective, so if somebody is judging your painting that ye acha nahi hai, wo acha nahi hai, don't worry, because art is meant to be make you happy, not make you anxious or make you feel like yaar kya hi bana diya hai. It's not like that. So now what I do is, okay, what you need to do is you can start directly on the paper, but as you can see, a lot of or most of my painting have a clear edge, so I like to actually put a tape around the edges. So when I actually remove the tape, I find the proper edges. Okay, and I use this paper tape. You can use any painter's tape which you can find in any of the hardware store. And guys, because my camera engine is not on in front of my face, so I may not be able to see any of the comments, but don't worry, I will reply and I answer all your questions, queries and comments once I finish this painting. So now just start preparing your surface with your paper. You don't need this paper, it's not compulsory, but I like my edges of my painting smooth, that's why I'm using this paper tape. And if you want, you can skip this step. I'm just very. Meanwhile, you need water, a palette, watercolor or acrylic color, and paintbrush. If you don't have paintbrush, don't worry. One of my painting, I actually wanted to see if you don't have a brush, what you can do. So this one actually made by tissue. Where is my toilet roll? I actually use this toilet roll tissue just to dab these colors. So you can see it's not necessary that if you don't have a paintbrush, you can't do it. It's not like that. You just need something to use your paint. Even if you don't have any sponge or any tissue, what you can do is you can use it with your fingers, like we did in finger painting, if you remember. And if you have missed any of our last videos or any tutorial, if you wanted to see the previous days videos, because we are doing it from 1st April, what you can do is you can go on YouTube or you can watch the same video on Facebook videos. So don't worry about it, just give me a couple of seconds so that I can just save my edges of the painting. Okay. And if you see, I am not bothered कि यार टेढ़ा मेढ़ा है. It's always fine for me. I don't mind टेढ़ा मेढ़ा line. I just want a nice clean edge, even if it is like here and there. Okay. And keep on posting your queries because I'll answer all the question at the end of the video. and I hope you are ready with the material because I am ready with my surface. So this is where we are going to work. Now what you need different colors, and let me show you one thing which will actually give you a little boost कि यार ये कलर होना चाहिए, वैसा होना चाहिए. Like most of the time people show you कि यार जो galaxy होता है वो सब black color and purple and pink ही होना चाहिए. It's not like that. You can actually follow a page called NASA Hubble. Let me show you. This is their Instagram handle, NASA Hubble, and they have a lot of pictures from their satellite, and you can use any of these pictures as a reference. As you can see, it's very colorful picture, so it depends what kind of galaxy you are making or which part of the galaxy you are working for. If you are seeing a galaxy from the very far or very near, or which kind of galaxy you want to make, so it depends on that. So let me start with the work. And if you are using watercolor, you may know that watercolor already used in a very diluted form, so you can just use the color palette and the water. But if you are using any of these acrylic paint or poster color or any kind of color, any other kind of water based color, what you can do is you can dilute it with the water. So I actually already made a blue color. I just put a little of pink, and then we will start. And it depends which color you like in your galaxy. Just use 3-4 colors. So just use 3-4 colors and then start with the dark color, because लाइट कलर को डार्क कलर से छुपाना बहुत ईजी है, बट लेयरिंग करना गैलेक्सी में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. इफ यू मेक लेयर then it would be much better. I just mix it. Okay, so this is my color palette: black, white, blue, yellow and pink. And keep on cleaning your surface, your paintbrush, because if you leave it like that, they may be ruined and you may not be able to use it. Now if you are using watercolor, then what you need to do is take water from your brush and then just paint it. What will this do? It actually loosen your paper, and जब आप paint डालेंगे, when you put it paint on it, it actually flow very nicely. And कितना पानी डालना है, ऐसा नहीं है कि पूरा कप उठा के डाल दिया. You need water till the time it start shining. Let me show you. I hope it's visible, the shiny part of the water. So it actually help you to flow your paint on the paper. And one more thing, if you are using something like this, like a technique called dabbing, where we just dab it. We take paint from the palette and then just dab it. So if you are using this, you can use any direction, horizontal, vertical. But if you are painting like this, make sure your all stroke will be in one direction. या तो horizontal होना चाहिए या vertical होना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं करना है कि horizontal कर दिया फिर थोड़ी देर vertical करना शुरू किया. You need only one side of stroke, either vertical or horizontal. ठीक है. So let me just start with this. And I know the previous example I showed, it had a lot of black color, but now I am going to put a lot of blue color and pink color painting. If you want, you can start with the black. If you want, you can start with the black color, but you need to start with. And it depends which color you like to dominate your painting. कौन सा color ज़्यादा चाहिए, blue color ज़्यादा चाहिए, pink ज़्यादा चाहिए, it depends on that. So I want my painting to look more like bluish, something like this one. So what I do is I'll actually give me a minute, I just draw it. What I do is, this is my painting. I put blue color here, here I put a little of pink color, here a little of black color, and then I just merge these areas so that it will look like one painting, not different part of paint blue or black colors. Okay. If you are seeing a little shadow on the paper, don't worry, I'm going to explain everything so that it doesn't matter if you are seeing a shadow or not. So I'm going to explain everything. And it's not like a blue he used color, you can use purple, you can use green, you can use any color, because if you check out these galaxy action galaxy photos, the Milky Way photos, you will see a lot of different colors which you may not. So I am using the dabbing technique. You just need to dab it. Just start dabbing the color on the paper. And if you feel that यहाँ पे थोड़ा थोड़ा छूट रहा है, don't worry, because again we are going to splatter the white paint at the end. It would be fine. And if you are using water color, जो छोटे से वो उसमें आते हैं, पैक में आते हैं, just put a little water and you can use it like that. Just keep on dabbing on one side and then we will see. And if you want, you can just leave the blue color here, you can use a different color over here. But what I do is, I make it look like a nebula जो center पे picture हो रहा, and यहाँ पे same color हो रहा है. It will be like यहाँ center से light हो रहा है and यहाँ से over जा रहा हो रहा. So I am going to make something like that. I hope you are doing it with me. If you have any doubts or any questions, if you miss any step, just be a little patient. I'll finish this demo and then I'll answer all your queries or questions. एंड एक और चीज़, कई बार क्या लगता है ना, जब पेंटिंग बहुत ख़राब है, इफ़ यू फील दैट योर पेंटिंग इज लुकिंग वेरी वियर्ड, दैट मीन्स योर पेंटिंग इज नॉट रेडी. सो you need to keep on working on it. If you feel like yaar abhi bhi it's not looking good or it need a little more work, then do it. Don't think too much. And I think you will feel that yeah, weird sa wo hai, but it actually, with the every painting, once you start, it will be a little weird in the starting, but after some time it will be fine and it will start coming together as a picture. So before starting anything, you need to plan it out कि क्या चाहिए, so that you can make layers. Right now I am just making layers with different colors, and later on I may add a little shadow or little more paint, but first we need our base to be ready. एंड इफ यू फील दैट कि यार यहाँ पे डार्क हो गया, यहाँ पे आई वांटेड टू चेंज द कलर, फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पे मेरे को चेंज करना है, सो लेट इट ड्राई फॉर सम टाइम, एंड वंस इट इज ड्राई you can put any color over there, any light, any dark color. If you are putting a light color, then you need to put a little more. If you are putting a dark color over any light color, you need to put a little less, because it's a, like light over dark or dark over light, so it depends on that. So as you can see, my galaxy is looking very bright. Now I wanted to make a little shadow kind of stuff. So what I do is I'm not cleaning my brush yet. I'm just putting together a little water, and then I am taking a little black color and then just dabbing here and there. You can use any technique, you can use any reference images. I'm just doing what I am liking right now, because I already have few dark pictures, so I want my this picture a little lighter. But if you want, you can put a little dark colors or any white color or any yellow color if you want. What I am actually trying to do is just merge on the color. It's not like it is better ही दिखना चाहिए. Okay. Just keep on dabbing your color over one another. And just see, ये बहुत ज़्यादा pinkish दिखाई दे रहा है. So what I do is I put a little blue color and then a little of black color over there. Keep on doing it till the time you feel like now it's looking more like a galaxy or galaxy. It's not like a Milky Way ही होना चाहिए. You may be from a different dimension, you may like a different kind of galaxy theme. So it's up to you. And painting, trust me, painting is not is something which you should learn as a step by step process. It is something which you should explore by yourself, what you actually think like doing, or what actually is. Okay, just keep on doing layering with different colors, so that you know. And just see, यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया ना. What I do is now I take a piece of tissue and then just remove it. So what you can also do is, अगर ज़्यादा कहीं पे कम हो जाए, you can actually use a tissue and remove the color. Okay, so for me it's like a very colorful, very hopeful galaxy. Now what I need is just give me a thumbs up if you have finished this part, so that I can show you how to put stars, shooting stars on those things. Just give me a thumbs up if you finished it, or if you need 5 more minutes to finish it. Just give me a thumbs up if you finished it, so that I know you are following and you understood what I did till now. Okay, I got one thumbs up. Anyone else is doing with me? or I can move forward for another step. Done? Okay, Shashi is also done. 5 minutes, please. Okay, so meanwhile, I'll explain few more things. You guys can like finish your painting by then. Uh, where is the paper? There's another technique which you can see how it works is you need a base color. You need a base color. Put a little water so that it may not dry very fast, and then just take another color in your brush and start merging. So what happen is it actually show you the transition from one color to another, and you can use this technique to make so you can do that. Done. 2 minutes more. Okay. And what else you can use if you don't have these color? You can use turmeric with limestone water to make red color. And for blue, you can use blueberry. And for that, you can use the charcoal, activated charcoal, not the normal charcoal कि कोयला उठा के पानी में डाल दिया फिर बोलो यार रेखा ये तो मिक्स ही नहीं हो रहा है. So don't use koila or coal directly. Use charcoal, activated charcoal in water so that it can be water dissolvable. So you can use natural color as well for the pigment. Now I think everyone is done. So I'll move for the next part. For the next part, you need a little white color. You if you don't because I don't want it to waste my toothbrush, that's why I am using a hard brush paint brush, but you can use a toothbrush, but I don't want it to waste it just for the sake of painting, because I know a lot of kids are watching. If I use toothbrush, they may use a new toothbrush. तो नया टूथब्रश नहीं यूज़ करना है, कोई भी पुराना टूथब्रश चलेगा. You need a little white color. Put it in your palette. And then you can put a little water. And just mix it. And if you remember, I actually did finger painting few days back. You can even use your fingers to splatter the paint, but you need to dilute it a lot. I'm just mixing my paint with the water, and then what I do is, because it's not a straight brush, it has a little tint. So now what I do is I just start splattering, and it will take a little time to be visible on the painting. Just do stars, as many stars you want. For me, it's more than enough, because I wanted to make a few shooting stars as well as one big star. So what I actually do is I take the same brush. You can use any fine tip brush as well, but I am using the same brush. And what I do is I am taking the tip of the brush and just making one stroke like this. And here I made a star. So for that what I do is my brush is very long for this camera stand. Okay, I just made something like this. I'm just using one side of tip of my brush, but if you have a very fine tip brush you can use that. Just do it till the time you feel like हाँ star like feel आ रहा है. So this will be your star. Then I think it's done for me, and because I used a lot of water so it's not very wet, so I can remove my paint. Sorry, remove. If your paint is very wet, बहुत गीला है paper, just wait for like some time, then remove the tape. If you are using any paper tape on your painting, let it dry for some time, then only remove it. ये वाला रास्ता. And don't press your tape very hard on the paper, otherwise it may tear your painting. Okay, I hope it's done. Give me like couple of seconds so that I can change the camera angle and take the questions and a video call if you want. But definitely, please understand I can't take request before like in the starting time. Okay. Just a minute so that I can put both the camera on the same side. Okay, just a second, it's a little bobbly right now. I just made it stable and then I take the questions. Okay, let me just check out on the questions. Today's topic was galaxy painting. Uh, this is for galaxy painting, right? Yeah. Yes, Deepti, today's was galaxy painting. Really appreciate what you all are doing. Thank you, Divya. Actually, your good wishes keep us going. So keep on sending us your well wishes. We really need it. Oh, we can start the painting class soon. Waiting. Yes, we finished it. I hope Deepti, you would have done like you finished your painting with your kid. If you are finished it, just send us our pictures so that I can see. And if you want like what you can make next, I can suggest that as well. I have artistry watercolor at present. You can use any of the colors. Anirudh, wow, wow, thank you, Anirudh. By what name to search on YouTube and FB? Is it saved with the date? Priyadarshini, on FB, the page you are following is Hobby in a Box, and you can see, if you go on video section, you will see all the videos on the previous videos. If you search on YouTube for Hobby in a Box, you will find the channel, and you can get all the videos there. Thank you for patiently teaching every day. It's actually our pleasure to actually give you something to do every day. I really appreciate if you can follow all the tutorials and do it with me and share the pictures. Okay, I think you all are done. Abhishek, this was simple and easy for kids too. Thank you so much, because I know painting or any art and craft is not easy to learn in 1 hour. So that's why I'm making it a step by step process so that anyone can follow. And I know right now it's very strange time for us because we are all in lockdown and not everyone have everything, but at least I can give you something to work with. Nice, he did well. Please share, send us the pictures, Deepti. Okay, let me just scroll down the Instagram account so that I can answer all the questions. Then, if you want, I can take the video call as well. But I really wanted to say that please send me video requests only after I finish the demo. Before that, I may not be able to take it. Okay. Separate Suman sarcasm. Okay. Hi, Nisha. Mm. What can we post? It already, I already answered it, I think. But again, if you wanted to post any queries or any artwork, send us pictures on Instagram or Facebook page. We will put it on our stories. For WhatsApp group, because there may be a lot of people, and just to save you from like untimely notification, that why those groups are only admin post enabled. So if you have any question, just send us queries or your artwork on our Facebook or Insta page. You can send us messages like once this live video is done, you go on our Facebook page or on Insta page, you will see a message button. You just click on that and then send us pictures from there. Like it's the same thing, you send pictures or you send messages to your friends, it's the same thing. Instead of the profile, you need to send it on the page. Sky Blue Institute Surat, hello. Bhavya Doshi, when you conduct these workshop in coming days also, yes, we are doing every workshop daily from 5:30 to 6:30. And in next few days, I am planning to invite more artists to showcase their talent. If you have something to like teach the crowd or the audience, you can definitely send us an email at Manveen, Manveen, Manveen @hobbyinabox.in, and we will definitely on our page to do on the kind of artwork or any different work. Can you please teach us how to make iris, fondant and paper tridrami? I think it's a origami, but it's a autocorrect. Yeah. I joined it. What color are you using? I used acrylic color, but you can use any water-based color, poster color, or any other color. Okay, these are thumbs up. Thank you. Done, Indramohan. 5 minutes more. Thank you for the workshop. Thank you for your messages. One more thing. Can we use toothbrush? Definitely, you can use toothbrush. Which number that brush is? So this one is 18, and this one is 3 by 8. Oh, nice session. Thank you again. Now I can see if I have a request or something, but I don't have now. So if you have more question, you can post it now, or you can send us later on Insta or Facebook page. If you wanted to join the WhatsApp group or the Telegram group for the latest update, you can send us message and we will share the link with you. Or you can check Insta stories, Insta highlight, or Facebook post. So you can take the link from there. If it is not working or not able to find it, definitely take it from there. And if you are making anything, don't forget to send us pictures. Okay, I got a request from Stripe Blue Institute Surat. Let me just see if they can you post other, let's see, pits to practice. Definitely I can post. Also you can, where is my iPad? Definitely you can follow NASA Hubble page, where you can see a lot of reference images. Hello? 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 Okay, I don't know what happens. For tomorrow's, like for upcoming session, Manveen will come and announce will be posting it on our Facebook and Insta page. So don't worry, wait for some time and we will be back soon, and definitely I'll be back by tomorrow 5:30. Okay. View. Okay, so Samruddhi, if you are okay, so I think I don't have any video call request now. If you wanted to join me on video call, please send me request only after I finish the demo, because in starting I may not be able to approve it. Okay. Just a second. Okay, so let me show you one picture. Somebody sent us a picture right now. Let me see if I can show you that picture. Okay, I'll post those pictures which you are sending us on Facebook. For today, that is all from my end. If you have more question, if you have anything to say, just send us messages. Just be a little polite for my social media team, and especially for Ria, because she is really working hard and she is working 24/7 right now for social media, so that she can answer all your questions. So I request you to be a little patient with her, because it will take a little time for her to respond. And I hope you guys join tomorrow for the next session. For the next query, next schedule, Manveen will be coming soon. So I am going to take your leave now, and keep on practicing and send me a lot of messages with your practice work. Bye bye.